For all of life's greatest memories, our cars are meant to get us there. That means we depend on our cars more than we realize. If our car breaks down, think of all we could miss. That means you need to call CarShield, America's most trusted auto protection company, for what carries your most precious cargo. That's protection on cars, trucks, and SUVs with affordable plans to help get your expensive repair bills paid.
Car repairs are at record highs. Don't let an out-of-warranty car break the bank.
CarShield is so much more than coverage on thousands of parts and systems. It's 24/7 roadside assistance with every plan. Courtesy towing, help with dead batteries, lockouts, and more. Darlings, that could mean thousands saved that could be going toward what really matters. Protect the car that protects your family. Call CarShield now.
Call CarShield before it's too late and get a plan to protect yourself from the expensive cost of repairs. Call 800-579-6554.